Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix scrolling lag or stuttering on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First of all, open settings on your device and then go to display settings. Here we have display. Find motion smoothness and make sure that the adaptive is enabled. After that, if the issue persists, try wiping the cache partition, which you can do by connecting your smartphone to the computer using the USB cable. Then turn off your device by holding down the power button and volume down key at the same time. Select power off. Wait until your phone vibrates and then start holding down the volume up key and power button at the same time, and once you see the Samsung logo on your screen, remove the power button. Remove your finger from the power button, but keep holding down the volume up key. Once your device enters the recovery mode, use your volume up and down buttons to navigate and scroll down to wipe cache partition option. Press OK to select it, then select yes, confirm, and then select Reboot System Now. And wait until your device restarts. After that, the issue should go away. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.